Ma'am, could I get a cup of water?
We only give water with a purchase.
I'm not asking for much. Just water.
I said no.
Dude, it's a cafe, not a shelter.
I'm not trying to be a problem. I'm just thirsty.
Hey, everything okay here?
He wants Sprite water.
Sir, you need to buy something or leave. I'm short.
Then you're short.
This is not a free establishment, sir. You are ruining our business.
I can just give him water out of my pocket, sir.
No. We have rules. All right, I'll go. Stay safe. You smell that?
Smell? What, are you just making excuses now, huh?
There's an electrical burning right now.
Sir, you need to get out. Now. You are just making stuff to get a free water.
I'm serious. Check your back outlet.
The one by the storage door.
Is this real?
It's probably a drill.
Oh my God.
Everyone together now! The smoke is getting worse! Don't push. Single file. You take the kids first. Someone open that side exit now.
The door is jammed!
Come on!
How did you do that?
Later. Go.
Help! I can't say!
You're coming with me.
Why are you helping me?
Because I don't leave people.
Call 911, please.
I already did.
Sir, I'm sorry. I refused you water. Water's not the issue. You didn't see a person. You saw a problem. Next time someone asks for water, don't make them earn it.
Here, please.
Thank you, kid.
Sir, what's your name?
It doesn't matter.